Good morning, students. So today we are going to study that about how to make perpendiculars. Okay. So last class we have studied till now we have studied about that the instruments or tools used in geometrical box and that how we can make line segment and how we can make a copy of line segment using ruler and compass. So today we'll learn how to make perpendiculars. So what is perpendicular? So that one you have studied in geometry. The perpendicular are if we intersect two lines, then if they are making 90 degree in between them, then the one line is perpendicular to other line. जेतरे दुईटा लाइन intersect होउची सेतरे तांको भितर जदि 90 degree formation हबो, then the one line is गोटे line आ गोटे line रो perpendicular. So here you look, L1 and L2 are intersecting and here they are forming 90 degree. एमन 90 degree angle formation करछन्ती. That's why L1 is perpendicular. This one is perpendicular sign L2. Okay, so L1 is perpendicular to L2. So we can make perpendiculars using so many instruments. हम बहुत सारे instrument use करके different way रे हमें perpendicular तैयारी करी परिबे. Okay, so see first one is what? Perpendicular to a line if a point is given on it using ruler and set square. हमें ruler use करिबा. Means ruler means what? तमे normally ruler को scale कहूचो. Okay, so that is ruler and a set square, any of the set square. Okay, if I'll take any of the set square then I can make a perpendicular. So let's see, and any point is given on the line. So what I'll do, first I'll draw a line. First तमे कौन करिबो, गोटे line draw करिबो. Okay, so like this draw a line. So this is line is drawn. Then what you will do, you take any set square, either this or this, any set square you take and keep this on this line. Okay, a line re tame put kariyo like this. Emiti either like this or you can put like this. Okay, jemiti bi tame jo side re bi, but the edge, okay, one of the edge means one side, triangular side, okay, means here one side of triangle should be on the line upare thiyo. If I'll take this point, line upare gote point nei gali, then I'll put on this point, a point upare rakhi ki kon karibi, I'll put on this line, a line upare gote edge ko point kariyo. So here this right angle is coinciding with this point. A point pakhaku a 90 degree ko anibo. Okay, and this line, this one will be on the line. One side of 90 degree should be on the line. A 90 degree ro gote side kon hobo, a line ऊपर रहिबो आ गोटे को ए पॉइंट सहित एमती एडी फिक्स कर दो. Fix it like this and just slide it and bring here. Okay, एमती फिक्स करके ऐसे तो आनी आसीबो. Then what you'll do, draw a line. Okay, what you got? You got a perpendicular. If this is line L and this point is P, then you can name it Q. So QP is perpendicular to line L. Okay, so like this using ruler and set square you can make what? A perpendicular. Then what? Another thing is there, you can make a perpendicular to a line if point is given on it using ruler and compass. Ruler और compass use करके तमे कौन तैयारी करी परिबो? You can make a perpendicular. So let's make. So what you can do? Take a ruler and a compass. Okay. So what you will do? First put a line line put karibo, make a line. Okay, then what you will do, make a point. गोटे line तैयारी करिवो, ता उपरे गोटे point दबो. Let this point be A and this is our line. Then take a compass नेबो. Then put a pointer on the point on the line ऊपर जो point P नहीं जो ता ऊपर compass रखिवो. Then make a arc. Okay, marking the two sides of the point P. एमिति कौन करिवो, ए लाइन को मार्क करिवो with the arc. एमिति गोटे arc तैयारी करिवो. Arc is what? That is a curve. Okay, like this. एमिति arc तैयारी करिवो. Then what you will do? You extend this. याको extend कर दो. Okay. Then put here mark कर दलो. याको name दबो A, B. So we got 2 points on the 2 other points on the line. Where arc is cutting the line. एटी arc कौन करची? Line को जोठी जोठी intersect करची, जोठी cut करची, ताको हमें mark कर दले A and B. Then extended, याको extend करिवो. Then from B take a arc. Say same measurement रे, जो measurement रे B रु गोटे arc नहीं थियो, say same measurement रे A रु गोटे arc नहीं जीवो. Okay, so what you will do? Take arc from, make arc from B, then make arc from A with the same measure. एटा जेति की मेजर एठू आर्क गोटे कट करतो सेति की मेजर रे एको आगो पछे करिवोनी. Okay, then what you will do? Put the point, mark the point as Q. Okay, and join these 2 points P and Q. याको join कर दो. Then what you will got? This is a what? Perpendicular, means QP is perpendicular to AB. AB upare QP is perpendicular. Or you can say if this is line L, QP is perpendicular to line L. Means like this, using ruler and compass you can construct a perpendicular. Okay, next we'll see perpendicular to a line through a point, not on it, using ruler and set square. Okay, so what we can do, we can make a perpendicular. हमें गोटे perpendicular तैयारी करिवा to a line through a point, not on it. line ऊपर point नथिवो, गोटे line रो perpendicular तैयारी करिवा, but से point टा कोडी नथिवो, तमरो line ए नथिवो, using ruler and set square. Ruler and set square. So what you will do? You take a line, first make a line, एमते गोटे line तैयारी करिवो. Okay, and this is line L. Okay, then take point P above, because point P is not on the line, not on it, point is not on the line re point नथिबा दरकार. Okay, then what you will do, you take the set square. Okay, take the set square, place it on the, place one arm on the line. एमिति line ऊपर place कर दबो गोटे arm को. आम गोटे arm को हमें place कर देले, means its arm is which arm? The arm near to the or side near to the right angle. Right angle रो जो side रे अछि से either एमिति नहीं पारियो और एमिति भी नहीं पारियो. जेमिति चाहिबो सेमिति नहीं पारियो. But not this side. ए side को नबोनी. What always the arm near to the right angle. Right angle पाखरे जो arm थिबो ताको ही नबो. So I am taking like this. एमिति बनौची. Okay. Then what I'll do? I'll place the ruler along the diagonal of the set square or the edge or the side opposite to right angle. Right angle रो opposite रे कौन अच्छी line अच्छी ए line. ए side सहित एको कौन करिवो fix कर दबो. Okay, then what you will do? Then slide the set square along the ruler till the point touches the P. Okay, so याकू स्लाइड करिवो ए दुईटा को एका सहित स्लाइड करिवो मीन्स कोन ताको घुंचेइबो. ओके, सो एमिति मुने मीन्स दे आर फिक्स्ड. ओके, एमिति मु स्लाइड कले देन आई विल टेक अप एमिति ताको ऊपर को नेबी. ओके, like this without doing means without harming or without like this. Look at here, I my ruler and what set square are fixed. Okay, without disturbing this, याको disturb न करिके मु ताको कोन कर till point P को touch करिबी with the set square. Now what you will do? You will make a line. Okay, like this. P एठी हमरो point P अछि याको धरि के तमे गोटे लाइन तयारी कर दबो on the line, given line. ए लाइन ऊपर गोटे point line ता तयारी कर. So this P, if you mark it as Q, now you get PQ is perpendicular to line L. Okay, so this is how you will make a perpendicular if on a line or to a line when point is not given on the line. Point ता line ऊपर नथिबो, line ऊपर नथाय कि नथिबो सेतले तमे ruler और set square रे एमिति करिवो. मींस तमे आगो याकू फिक्स करिवो देन ता सहित स्केल को या सहित अटैच करिवो एमिति सीधा रे. तापरे एमिति सीधा ऊपर को नै जिवो जेमिति कि कहा को टच करिवो P को माने तमरो पॉइंट को टच करिवो सही हिसाब रे तमे लाइन ता टाणिवो. देन यू कैन गेट परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? नेक्स्ट पोर्शन इज perpendicular to a line. So look at here, perpendicular to a line from a point not on it. Same, but here what we are using ruler and a compass. गोटे perpendicular तैयारी करिवे जोथरे कि point ता line ऊपर नथिबो. Okay, and एथरे हमें कोन यूज करे ruler and compass. So what you will do? You take a line. Okay, हमें एमती line नहीं जिवा. Then put a point P. This is our line, point P, which is not on this line. Point ता line ऊपर नहीं. Okay. Next what we'll do? We'll take the ruler. Okay. We'll take the ruler and keep the pointer on P. P ऊपर P point ऊपर pointer रख दो. Then what we'll do? You extend the ruler, extend the compass. Take the compass and keep the pointer in one point and extend it till the below the line. Line तले एमती नहीं जो. Next what you will do? You will make an arc cutting this line. Arc तैयारी करियो जोथरे की एमती line को cut करियो. Okay, look at here. It is cutting the line. So here we got 2 points. Make it A and B. Okay. Next what you will do? You just reduce this one. Okay. Then what you will do? You take a arc from this point A ru gote arc nabo. Then with the same measure taku disturb kariwoni. With the same measure take another arc from B ru agote arc nabo, same measure. Okay, now you get a point. Let name it Q. Next join PQ को join कर दो. Okay, now you got the perpendicular. PQ is perpendicular to line L. You can say that, or PQ is perpendicular to AB. Like this, using compass and ruler, you can make a perpendicular to a line if point is not on the line. Okay. Next we will see the perpendicular bisector. Okay, we are knowing that perpendicular. What is perpendicular? If two lines are intersecting and the intersecting lines, they are making angle how much? 90 degree, then they are perpendicular. जेतरे दीटा line intersect होची से माने कौन तैयारी करचंती perpendicular. Means 90 degree formation कले that is perpendicular. But bisector is what? Bi means two, sect means dividing. Okay, means if the perpendicular is dividing other line into two equal parts, then that is perpendicular bisector. जेतरे perpendicular टा से line को two equal parts रे divide करिवो सेतले सेटा कोन हिजो perpendicular bisector. So a line which divides the given line into two equal parts, okay, is known as perpendicular bisector. So let's see how we can make perpendicular bisector. So one process is making perpendicular bisector using transparent tapes. You are knowing the tapes? Okay, like this we are knowing these cello tapes. These are very transparent. So what we will do? We'll first make a line. Okay, so what we will do? First, this is very easy. First make a line segment. Okay, like this. I'll use the pen so that it will be easy to mark. Okay, mu pen use karibi. But always use pencil, don't use pen in construction. But here that will be not visible properly. That's why I am using pen. मुझे pen use करचे कहीं ना मोबाइल रे एते भल से visible होबनी pencil टे. Then what will do? I'll take a cello tape. Okay. Then what I'll do? I'll put the cello tape like this. Okay. एबे cello tape तले देखा जाउची. Look at here. Okay. Look, I have put the cello tape like this. You can't see. Here I have. This is the cello tape end portion. Okay. Like this I have put the cello tape. Okay, so this is my cello tape portion. Like this I have put. Then I'll take another cello tape, means transparent tape, and I'll put like this. Okay, so here you can't see, but if I'll put the edges, look, my cello tape has gone like this. Okay, so these are crossing this line. Okay, so look at here. What I get? I got 2 points here, 1 point and 2 crossing point. So what I'll do? If I'll join these 2 crossing points, then what I'll get? This is perpendicular, this line. If I'll make it A, B, C, D, then CD is perpendicular to AB. Means by the help of transparent tapes you can easily make, okay, you can easily make the perpendicular on a line. गोटे लाइन दिया हेतिबो ता ऊपर एमती क्रॉस करिकी ट्रांसपेरेंट पेपर रखि दबो. ओके, ट्रांसपेरेंट पेपर रखि दो. सेइथरे तमे कोन फॉर्मेशन करि परिबो? You can make a, you can get a perpendicular. Next we will see the perpendicular means, and this is perpendicular bisector. Sorry, I have forgotten to tell. So this is perpendicular bisector. CD is perpendicular to AB and CD means this if I'll take this point as O, means AO equal to OB, means CD is dividing AB into two equal parts, that is AO equal to OB, means CD is perpendicular bisector. Okay. Next we can make easily a perpendicular bisector with the help of using ruler and compass. Okay. So let's see how we can make a perpendicular bisector. So what you will do? First you take a line. Okay. We'll take a line like this. First we'll take a line segment of any length. So this is A, B. Okay. Like this we'll take. Then take compass and what we'll do? Make a circle. Okay. Not means make a circle without taking any radius. Radius किछि नबनी. या ए लाइन थारु टिके छोटो. Okay. A line थारु टिके छोटो measurement रे, means you will take measurement. Okay. Smaller than this line, then make a circle. एमिति गोटे circle तैयारी करियो. Okay. So make a circle like this. Then what we will do? Then with the same radius. Okay. And B as a जो same radius रे एठू A रे circle निलो, then take the circle from the B. Say same radius रे कौन करियो? Make a circle from the B. Okay. So what you will do? You take circle from A, then circle from the B, and that will be on the same radius. Okay. Then what you will do? You get the 2 points, that is C and D. Then what you will do? You join this point. So this CD is perpendicular to AB, and this is what? CD is perpendicular bisector. Okay, means this is dividing AB into two equal parts, means AO equal to OB. Okay, so this is easy to take without making two circle. What you will do? Just take the line, take one line, go to empty line nejo, then mark it the 2 point. Okay, data point mark kari kon kariyo? Extend it like this, then take arc on the above, arc on the below, from one point, from other point, with the same radius arc on the above and arc on the below. Okay, then take 2 points. If this is AB, then this point will be C, D. Then join these 2 points. A theta point ko join kariyo. Okay, now CD is perpendicular to AB, and if it is O, AO is equal to OB. Okay. So this is perpendicular bisector, how we can make. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Okay. Thank you.